here.
And this is Madison. Today we would be showing you guys how to make your own banana pudding cups. We already mixed our banana pudding. It's super delicious. Let's start. We are going to start with a couple cookies. And we are going to get a couple, 3 spoons of banana pudding. And then we are going to add some Cool Whip. And now we are going to add our crushed cookies on top. And that is how you make banana pudding cups. Look how good, yummy, and good they turned out. They look delicious. I can't wait to eat mine. Bye, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Sydney and Madison's YouTube channel. And I hope you enjoy that you learned how to make banana pudding cups.
And
bye.
be awesome.
Don't forget to be awesome.